Alright everybody, welcome back to another video here on the Dividend Dogo show on YouTube, and I'm bringing you in for the weekly portfolio review. We're going to take a look at how the portfolio has performed for the first week going into June. So let's take a look here. You can see that we're at about 210,000 in total gains. 47,000 of that is dividends. And we're going to dial this down to the week. As you can see, it was a bit of a roller coaster of a week. We started the week out there at about 740, dropped down to 730, came back up to 736, and then down to 730 to close out the week. So overall, we were down about $14,000 for the week, or 1.91%. We did have some earned dividends come in, $284, and that'll get deposited into the cash balance, and we'll be reinvesting those dividends. So you can see here that every sector we have was red at closing out the week. Finance being down about 2.7% overall. So let's go take a look at that. You can see Citigroup was down about 4% closing out the week. JP Morgan was down 0.85. Ally was down 1.88. Bank of America down 1.68, and Bank of OZK down 2.2, and then T. Rowe Price was down 3.7%. So this is just kind of how the fluctuation goes for the week. I don't know if this will come up at the beginning of the week, but I suspect we'll have another rocky roller coaster week here. For utilities, VST was down a little bit. Duke was actually down more than VST, which is kind of interesting at 2.83. I'm going to be looking to kind of see the price targets are coming down a little bit for this stock, and it's going to start looking a little bit more attractive. I was buying it at around 88, so this is still a little bit too high for me to be buying extra shares, but I am keeping that one on the radar. If that does come down to a more reasonable value, I may pick up some more shares. Right now that's a little too expensive. For healthcare, we have AbbVie and Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson was down 2.5%, AbbVie down 1.89% for the week. So again, Johnson & Johnson still way above the price where I would invest, as well as AbbVie. My shares on AbbVie were in the 84 range for the cost basis, so we're so far above that it's not even funny. If we look at how green healthcare is, we're still up about $78,000 on those positions, so that's not really a buy territory. Looking at consumer was down for the week a little bit. We did have Costco coming up 1% in the green, one of the only stocks for the week that held up and was in the green for the week. But Coca-Cola coming down, Altria down 1%. We got Target down about 3% this week, and PepsiCo is one of those that I would like to add a little bit more to. Same with Target, so I am totally okay with those coming down, and Lowe's as well. All of those are ones that I would like to continue going down so that I can buy them at a cheaper price and get even more dividend value for all of my dollars invested in those companies. Then we have the Como Money Pie, which is just SCHD, which is just super high quality. I can't wait to add a little bit more to that. Their ex-dividend date is coming up in 2 weeks, so you can expect that I'm probably going to put in a buy order on SCHD in the next couple days, especially if we get some more pressure and it comes down a little bit more. Then I'll definitely be adding to that. Berkshire Hathaway was down about 2.5% for the week. Not really looking to add to that right now, but just kind of looking to hang on to what I have invested there. And then overall for the monthly dividend stocks pie, for some reason, there we go, it's just lagging a little bit. We have BST, it was down 0.66. That's another one that's kind of in that range where I'm back to looking at potentially adding some more shares of BST because it is below my cost basis. So that's one that I definitely have on my radar to pick up some extra shares of. And then Owner's Rewards Pie, this is just all of the stocks that just by owning them get that discount for using the M1 Finance card. I've mainly been taking advantage of eBay, GameStop, Chewy. As a lot of you know, we have 3 puppies now, and Chewy orders are thick. They love them dog treats, so Yeah, that's kind of how the portfolio held up for the week. Overall, we're in the red a little bit for this week. We were up like 35K last week, so I expect it to kind of roller coaster around while the market and everyone figures out what they want to do. So thank you for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. I believe we're well over the 2,500 subscriber mark now. And I appreciate all of you who have used the referral links for M1 Finance. And I hope that all of you are having a safe weekend going into June here. I expect a lot of turbulence with the market and the portfolio. I'm just going to continue to add and buy stocks that are on sale, hopefully. So thank you very much for watching. Drop me a comment. Let me know how your portfolio performed for the week. And if you were in the red like I was, or if you managed to stay in the green, if like your whole Costco or whole portfolio was Costco or something like that, something hilarious, drop me a comment and let me know how you did for the week. I will be back at you all with another video here shortly, and thank you very much for watching.